talk about how to put a cover over a massage chair. It can seem very complicated. I get a lot of questions from students regarding this, so I'm just going to do a quick review. Okay, I'm going to open it up. So from the side, I just opened the zipper up. Okay, this is what it looks like. Okay, here we have the headrest, the chest pad, okay, the armrest. Okay, so this is what it looks like. All right, you guys, the most important part about making sure the cover fits over the chair is breaking it down properly. Okay, here we have the locking pin. Okay, now this locking pin is on the third from the bottom. We have 1, 2, 3. Yours should be at the third from the bottom. Now keep in mind that every chair is different, every company is different. Okay, so this locking pin is going to be on the third from the bottom. So hopefully you guys can see this. 1, 2, and 3. There's 1, 2, 3. Third from the bottom. And then here's the Z clip. That's on the very bottom hole. First thing we're going to do after you have adjusted your locking pins, okay, we're going to release the armrest. Okay, I'm going to make sure it's flat. Next, I'm going to drop the headrest down. So now we have the arm shelf released as well as the headrest released. Now all we have to do is fold up the chair and pack everything up tightly and put the cover on. We're looking at the side of the chair. So here I'm going to lift up on the seating pad and it's going to look just like this. Okay, I'm going to bring it back out. Fold it back together just like that. I noticed that the armrest is kind of sticking out. So I'm going to go ahead and release that armrest. So that it's flat. There. Do you guys see the difference? So here's a full body view. Okay. Here we have a nice packed up table and it's ready to go into the cover. So order of operations. When you go to pack up your chair, you're going to make sure that silver button is on the third hole from the bottom. You're going to first put down your armrest all the way. Next, you're going to put down your headrest. And then you're going to fold up the chair and it should look just like this. All right, let's get into putting the cover on. This is the cover. When I put it on, I'm going to wrap it around. Okay, so I'm going to go look for my logo. It's up here. Okay. Now the zipper is open and I'm going to kind of hug it right over the chair. Okay, here we go. Hug right over the chair. Here's that first zip. Zip. I'm going to bring it down, zip, and you could drop it down to the side. I'm going to make sure all the legs are in. Okay. Zip, zip, and voila. There you have a zipped up chair.